Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Well, I'm out here on the patio. Staff Sergeant got here last night, my youngest son, and we went up and figure out the final little tweaks to do to it before we started putting roofing on. And the tweaks we were thinking about was dealing with these braces you see back here, making sure what angles she wanted, clearance, and everything else. So we ran up to Home Depot to get the roofing and the boards. Got the boards. Went over, couldn't find the roofing that last week said they had, 300 and some odd pieces of it. And got around asking somebody, and they started looking and go, "Oh, we shows are having zero." Well, you had 300 and something last Friday, and you go, "You don't know what happened." And they anyway, so yeah, someone took 300 and some odd pieces of the 12-foot stuff at $38 a pop. So, anyways, we wound up getting some other stuff, and then it started raining on us while we were traveling with it. So it was raining on us as we were driving back. Took a short break, and then it stopped, and we cut the braces up, and it started raining again. Took a break. And that's why I didn't do the live because it was raining so much this morning and this afternoon. Anyways, that's what we got done so far. So I can get it up here so you can get a better view of it here. And so we got 6, 7. Hang on, let me count for you. Let's start here. All right, so there's one joint, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. So 6 pieces of it, and it's a little bit more than 36 inches wide. It's more like 36 and a half on the overlap. Plus a little extra, so it's more like 37 and a half inches wide, but it overlaps a little bit. So yeah, we got it all up there, and yes, there is a tweak in it. So from this post right here, get angled right here on it, the lower part goes up to get over to the shop. The upper part dives down. The upper part dives down up there to get under the gutter. And this had to come up to go over. Let me show you it here. The door frame. So I had to tweak that just a little bit, and basically pivoted on one of the lines. But everything else there is looking pretty good. And tomorrow morning, if it's not raining, I'll be doing a live stream. Hopefully I'll get this out tonight so you'll see tomorrow morning. But yeah, we got all the work and stuff we did beforehand. This is what we wound up with, getting it all done here. And so we're 1/5 of the way done because there's 10 posts. So we got 1, 2 posts completed, 2. Then we got 8 more to go down there. And we got bracing all done. Now on the bracing, we're going to be adding more bracing after we're all done. And what it is so the 8-foot board, we cut it, and this is 4.5 feet from down there up there is 4.5 feet. If I can get the camera to follow right, there we go. So we took the 3.5, did some measuring and figuring on it, marked it up here from up there. Wife looked at the angle. Okay, this is where I want it at. And we cut off about a foot off. Well, that foot will go from here up here. Get it right here. Get it showing you from here. Yeah, from about right here, matching with the bottom of this one, and go right up into there. And we'll put that one on there as well. So I'll just give it just a little bit extra decorative bracing and everything. So it's looking pretty good. We got 2 pieces up, and it started pouring on us again. So we're all standing underneath there with the grandkids and stuff, watching it rain, and they heard it just bouncing on the roof here, and the water was just running off it. So It's really cool. So this thing here is pretty cool. It's gray on the bottom and it is white on top. This costs $10 more per sheet than the stuff we wanted to get. The stuff we wanted to get was just, you know, plain galvanized. Same shape, pattern, and everything, but just galvanized instead of being powder coated. This is powder coated, gray on the bottom, white on top. So that'll, like the metal, it'll reflect heat. You know, the white will, but I think it'll last a little bit longer without rusting and stuff. So yeah, we got a bunch going, and hopefully tomorrow we'll be able to get a live stream going for you. All right. So as always, stay happy. Don't let life get you down. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish, and keep bettering your position. Do something to make your position better. Whether it's adding more to your pantry, enlarging a garden, or building a cover over your patio to protect you from the winter. See you around.